Welcome to the InFaithApp operating guide. In this video, we'll guide you on creating groups inside the InFaithApp. Creating a group allows you to communicate better with your followers and provide updates on your upcoming events. Let's dive into how to create a group. As you are on the Home Discover tab, navigate to the Chats tab in the lower left corner. Here you would be able to see the groups you create. Tap the plus sign in the upper right corner and select Create Group. On the next screen, you don't have to choose anyone yet, and if you recently signed up, you might not have many contacts yet, so you can skip for now by hitting Next. On this screen, choose a name for your group that best represents your ministry and add an avatar from your album. The cover photo will help distinguish your group. Hit Create. And congratulations, your group is live now. Next, explore the Settings section to modify group info, send messages, or make calls. You can also modify notifications by muting or unmuting. You can also pin your group. Later, when you create multiple groups, this will help keep your group list organized and important groups handy on top. Use Group Notice, which is designed for making a notification announcement to your group. Next, add a group introduction for your group. By default, you have no intro, so we suggest you add an introduction. It will help users understand what your group is about. Try keeping your description under 2 lines, which is about 40 characters, so it fully shows up in the featured section. This intro will be displayed in the Tribe's Discovery area. As your group gains followers, it will be promoted in the Tribes section. Tribes help you connect with more people and promote your ministry effectively. Choose your group's approval settings. The default setting is set for auto approval, meaning anyone can join your group. If you prefer, you can switch to admin approval, where anyone who wants to join will need the administrator's approval. We suggest keeping the default setting as auto approval to allow more people to join your group. Finally, your group QR code and unique link. On this page, you can copy your QR code or link and share it with your friends through multiple available platforms. Stay tuned for more tutorial videos where we'll cover everything you need to know to navigate and make the most of the InFaithApp. Don't forget to explore the InFaithApp and start connecting with other faith leaders and believers today. See you in the next video.